It may not be lethal as molten rock, lava, or pyroclastic density currents, or PDCs, but volcanic ash spewed in huge volumes and falling from the sky is deleterious to one's health and an environmental and public mobility hazard as well. And reports from the Albay PDRRMO claims some 6,000 homes have been adversely impacted by Mayon's latest ash spew, which our Gab Humilde covers in this report.
The government remains focused on addressing the needs of residents affected by the severe ashfall from Mayon volcano in Albay. According to Office of Civil Defense Bicol Regional Director Cesar Adornado, the towns of Ginobatan, Camalig, and the city of Ligao are the most affected areas. An estimated 30,000 families are affected in the province, where over 1,100 families, or equivalent of nearly 5,500 individuals, are staying in evacuation centers. Road clearing operations are ongoing, and the OCD has also distributed face masks and water supplies to the affected communities. In the municipality of Ginobatan, LGU officials, personnel, and volunteers are conducting flushing operations to remove ash from the roads, where farmers' crops have been severely affected by the ashfall.
Ngayon po sir, andito naman yung mga mga ahensya, yung sa BFP, nagpadala po yung yung regional director si RD Santiago. And, then ngayon nga kaalis lang ng mga staff ni Governor Hamor ng Sorsogon, nagpadala po ng mga food packs, then mga water tank na magtutulong po sa flushing. So as of now po, ongoing po ang clearing operation from dito po sa center hanggang hanggang Maharlika Highway po. Yung mga pananim po na halos nasa foot ng Mayon, due for harvest na sana po. Kaso, nag-alburuto, syempre, yung epekto ng abo, ng ashes po sa pananim natin, talagang masisira and nasira po yung yung pananim. So, syempre po, yung kapital nila sa pagtanim, yung pagod and everything, talagang, kumbaga, kawawa talaga yung mga farmers.
The crops of farmers in Camalig were also affected by the ashfall.
Yung mga pananim talaga ng ating mga magsasaka talaga apektado po. Kumbaga yung makapal na abo na tumama doon po sa kanilang mga tanim ay talaga po hindi napapakinabangan yung mga tanim nila. Kailangan na po talaga nito matulungan po natin na may balik ang kanilang pananim. Pero sabi natin, hindi po ito ganong kadali. Kailangan po natin ng medyo magandang plano ito at intervention para may balik po yung hanap buhay nila. Kasi pati mga kalabaw nila ay talagang may mga namatay na kalabaw at sa ngayon wala po talaga po makain.
An estimated 8,000 families were affected in their town, where 258 families have sought refuge in evacuation centers and receiving family food packs from the Department of Social Welfare and Development. The LGU asks for donations to help in the recovery of the residents.
Initially po, yung face mask nga, then tubig. Then siguro kung may bibigay din po ng mga farm tools, yun po ang pwede natin ibigay doon sa mga farmers. At kung may magbigay din po ng mga seedlings, yun po ang kailangan namin para po doon sa recovery po namin. May balik po yung hanap buhay ng mga tao natin.
Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.